that sound boy, calling in the dance hall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Speak up yourself. Lucky, Kangal, Bob, Jimmy, Snappy.
When you say Bobby, hold on. You talk about heartstrings, Homeland. Big up the people from Iron Shore, Coral Gardens, Provides. Big up all the people from C11 of the place. Irwin, Catchinall. Are you mean? Our place, that stack on the ground. What do you where it come from?
We there, touch it on Snappy.
Right now, Sarah, good.
Who will have the Snappy? Snappy, who will have them, my brother? Please, when you see the garbage, don't drop it on the foot. Do. Drop it in one of the garbage bins. See, please. Because after Ono gone, I'm gonna make love to Mama. For Mother's Day, we there sleep up here, so it's no fear.
Yeah.
So pick up on the garbage before you come out of here. Really much Snappy.
Yeah, fire! Section. Now we have to pick up all of the people there. The ladies. Also the mothers. The mothers. Right now, Jimmy. We have to check people back again. GS is set it, so we have to check it. We have true vibes. So top. That's what I say. GS, you set it right. I tell you, in church. Well, it's right now, a Sunday evening, on a Mother's Day. So right now, I'm going to kick it off like this. You lost your phone. We have it right there, so if you lose it in the bathroom. Some solid tablet. Yeah, man. Really? Last year I know, man. Sunday here. ago, me lose my mother. And me love her dearly. And she gave me my first son when me a 8-year-old. And from them times until now, we don't stop playing song. See? Mothers. Mothers.
This one is for my mama. Here you are. So are you ready? Yes, I am. Are you ready? Come on. I am. Check this out. 31 Sunday morning. Breakfast was on the table. There was no time to eat. She said to me, boy, you're into Sunday school, filled with the love of the man. We learned the old story. She always had a dream, just like the things this troubled world can bring. Oh, say it, don't you know we love you, sweet? Say it,
Yeah, man, let me tell you tomorrow, the mother.
not a bug you, sweet. Say it, living in the past. Sometimes it seems so funny, ain't got nobody
Yo,
to
cut the deal. So you see the guy serious. Right about now, me know say all of the eye them. Besides your mother, the woman you pick up in your life should be just like your mother. I have a child on this. You have to call her and look on her and tell her.
Natural beauty, you know.
Yo, you see the mother and them, you know.
No, I never been someone
I
shy
want them there.
until I see you rise.
The last year I got you. How the original sound from London?
Natural beauty, you know. No, I never been someone shy until I see you rise. Still I had to try. Yeah. Oh yes, let me get my words right and then approach. When I treat you like a man is supposed to, you'll never have to cry. No, I know everyone can relate to when they find a special someone. And she's royal, yeah, so royal. And I want her in my life. I never knew anyone so one of a kind. No, the way she moves to her own beat, she has the qualities of a queen. She's a queen. Ooh, ooh, what a natural beauty.
Yeah.
No need no makeup to be a cutie. She's a queen.
The last year I know it.
She's a queen.
You see right now. See right now, people. You see them two turntable over there, so. And them me used to. And them me love. For me take time, I make a little transition. So me go pick up some CD. And then might get up on the computer. Little more, I'm gonna drop some song over there, so. But right now, you see that song here now? Some woman now go like that song here. But you see that song here dedicated to some people from where me come from named Jamaica. Some woman who come from down there, around there, over there. See? Here one song go.
Smile alone, make me know. Smile alone, smile alone, smile alone. Smile alone, make me know black room.
I go.
Now I'm sending this one across the nation. To all my Jamaican woman. Hey, dark skin girl, give me a call. Would I love to have you close to me when the rain a fall? Lay you head up on my chest, man.
Yeah, man, I'm in Jamaica.
Now I'm sending this one across the nation.
right one. Now one dedicated to one of the dark skin girl. Listen right now, big and serious. Now go pick it like this. Original sound enough. The past, the present and the future. Yesterday, today and tomorrow. And frequent.
I said I tell them already.
Yo, yes sir, right now, I can't read it on my time. My friend I want to read it here, I can't read to read. You notice me just look for them something and just listen them something and I can't read. So listen now people.
I said I tell them already. I will tell them again. I will tell them again.
Yo, my people. Yo, my people. My people who know me for a long time. And some of you don't know me, but you don't forget to know me. Me no call myself DJ. And me no call myself mixer. I pass DJ and mixer stage a long time. I'm your entertainer. When me come a different thing, you know see a paparazzi come look. And the big star and the big sound touchdown. A long time me and my brother have been down, we left it and we come back. Wanna listen to that song? Wanna beat that up? Listen to that song. Wanna listen to that song, yeah?
Anytime you have it in
Listen to that song, yeah?
you have a plan, don't mash it up, don't you crash it up, don't keep it up, keep it up. Cause I saw the thing go, well dread.
We'll have to get them and then still do the money.
Anytime you have it in
Yo, no piece of me easy. Father just we don't forget to see these things together, you know. See, I know them, Mr. My mother give me my first song for me and several look and talk about music. See?
anytime you have it in hand, make sure you have a plan, don't mash it up, don't you crash it up, just keep it up, repeat it up. Yeah, cause I saw the thing go, well dread.
We'll have to give them and then still couldn't manage.
Them out to mash it up, oh what a tragedy. What the people want, big apology. Nothing no work, so no fix the ideology.
You do your thing, but you leave out the quality.
And that is not a recipe for longevity.
You three hype, so you...
Anytime you have it in hand, make sure you have a plan. Don't mash it up, don't you crash it up. Just keep it up, repeat it up. Yeah, cause I saw the thing go, well dread.
We'll have to give them and then still couldn't manage.
Them out to mash it up, oh what a tragedy. What the people want, big apology.
and that is not a rusty people and devil. You three high so you can't face reality. Give thanks for humanity. You don't have it in your hands, so stop looking at the bushes. The business is not about gun, dogs and pussies. Some never see the big picture, only the cookies. And so we know the pro them different from the rookies. Popularity have your mind screwed up. Too much bad signal, they use confused up. You think that everyone you really can fool up. Gentleman, pick it up and mess on a Europe. When they feel them and they still do the money. You think of that? You think of that? What you think of that? On Friday we have cleaned up the sound, you know. And we see a woman and she said elections who don't go to Belgrade. And we say, yeah man, from 5 o'clock we are come to Belgrade. Hear the man upon the man and say, we don't go there, no. Are you where we tell the man that we talk to the man like that? Tell him, say that.
This one by the fighting, now gonna win. Show me that you love me cause you say you care. This one by the post cause I'm fresh on the air. Show me that you love me girl, you stay. Stop you fighting early in the morning. This one by the fighting, now gonna win. Show me that you
And the band sound there.
care. This one by the post cause I'm fresh on the air. Show me that you love me girl, you stay. Stop you fighting so early in the morning. Stop you fighting, don't disturb me when I'm sleeping. Stop you fighting so early in the morning. Stop you fighting, don't disturb me when I'm sleeping. Well, I'm a working man, I need my rest. Standing on the stage, I need to look my best. Darling, don't you put me now through the stairs. One by the lyrics, just I need this smell. Stop you fighting early in the morning.
Majesty.
Stop you fighting, don't listen to me when I'm sleeping. Stop you fighting early in the morning. Stop you fighting, don't disturb me when I'm sleeping. As I said,
Promise them, look how early you get up on a fight. 4 o'clock a morning, you never lie. Me know you are doing this fight and it's the right time. When you was telling me that work last night, man walk come home with little peace and quiet, but you sound like a foreman on a construction site. Me notice your wall get dry, I never know you're so simple like your life.
stop you fighting early in the morning. Stop you fighting, don't disturb me when I'm sleeping. Stop you fighting so early in the morning. Stop you fighting, don't disturb me when I'm sleeping. I said, you want my money, you say you cry. Tell you that I love you, you say I lie. Pouring on my heart to say I don't even try. All I need to know is just the reason why. Tell me why, baby. Tell me why. Hey. Do it, Jack.
I need the park official. The lady from the park who comes say she have something to raffle off. How are you come see me? Understand say she have 3 young alligator and 4 crocodile to raffle off. I send back a Fort Lauderdale. But we don't want that. Here what we want.
Whoa, baby.
a million things happening in the park right now. Huh? Oneness? They're not playing, but they're over there. All kind of sound. Car sound, mobile sound, calypso sound. Everybody there.
Always a fight, but him know if we do to make me smile get bright. We war on him left and no come back till late in the hours with a bunch of niceness flowers. Even though I'm
not tongue twisting. Well, this is the man come again to select.
humble like a war and we fight, but we're gonna make it up tonight. I love you, baby. Hey. Me and my lover just always a fight, but him know if we do to make me smile get bright. We war on him left and no come back to late in the hours with a bunch of the niceness flowers. Even though me vexed in the blood and boil, below the waist I'm humble like a child. Can't help it, but couldn't hide the feeling. Plus my children with the more sweet talking. You know me not gonna knock you down, baby. Now me just want to hold you down, baby. Put on you down, baby. And before you know it is another baby. You know me not go back you down, baby. Now me just want to hold you down, baby. Him say want to put on you down, baby. And before you know it is another baby. It's not a thing about a quarrel, when everything don't work out right. But if you got everything like me and for me days, and even when you just done man listen for days and a stress and never left me for changing tricky ways. We love you one another, make everyone amaze. The children believe in everything is yes. We only going through a phase, so come tell me sorry soft in my ears. You know me not gonna knock you down, baby. Now me just want to hold you down, baby. Him say want to put on your tongue, baby. And before you know it is another baby. You know me not gonna knock you down, baby. Now me just want to hold you down, baby. Him say want to put on your tongue. And before you know it is another baby. I really want something out for running bed. No man can't come in on me bed. So even if you always see me argue about most of the things when no fun, no one do like feel public, it's clear the bills on time. Then I stay up the house when we just don't shine. Me can't search your phone, but you want to search mine. I want when the whole of that don't mind. You know me not gonna knock you down, baby. Now me just want to hold you down, baby. Him say want to put on your tongue, baby. And before you know it is another baby. You know me now go box you down, baby. Now me just want to hold you down, baby. Him say want to put on your tongue, baby. And before you know it is another baby.
The last year I know. Man, to bear with me, no people. Normally when me man play them sitting over there, so much faster than this. But me just a getting a this or something. A long time them a tell me say, Star, you go on like you're stuck, so. When you want just move with them big old heavy something there, so. When you see that song you know, that song you feel all of the ganja smoker, whether you're not Christian with a business, no cocaine, no cigarette, that's strictly ganja. The last and final tune.
I'm angry.
Oh, and about them! What take a big split before them come?
It's going through my head.
Shoot! Give me some volume, man.
That is the reason why my eyes are turning red. It's going through my head. Feeling bad every time I get
Why may I tell us that this is so much man and woman from them time getting low? Me love it in the people. Got years we are doing this in the people. And we stand up right now to the best of them. 2024 our sequence. Still, they are with them strong. Bigger. Are we are the bigger boss? All some boys, them are famous.
I mean, sequence in the building. Also, enough respect to my good friend DJ Radcliffe.
Yeah.
All sound man in the business, big up yourself. All people from all across, all the globe.
Feel good at all.
Massive. And it's enough respect once more to all the mothers inside the building. Happy Mother's Day to you mothers.
Yeah, you up your damn self. You know what I'm saying? Black Liberation Night. Near the 26. Yeah, Club Cutters, Clement Tyree, Nicky Blaze, Grindsman, Love Jai, Tanayri. Inner City.
What is the inner city women globally? We rule the world.
Yeah, man, big up yourself for Alexis. Tracy, put some ice there, Michael. Flat like out the road. Check. Yeah, man. First of all, I want to pick up all the ladies there. That's what I say. It's all about the Mother's Day, but I say more man than woman. But pick up all the ladies there, because it's all about the mothers them, and the mothers them come play some song. That's what I say. I can't slow man, a beer man, Mr. Road, but you don't know that I'm allergic to man come to the door. But anyway, I'm going to play some song for the ladies. I'm going to start it like this first.
I want them to chat. Them don't know about Jagan this. They think I slap. Jagan. When you find yourself in times of trouble, my Jagan is there for you. In a city sound is the answer. Let it be. 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 In a city sound is the answer. Let it be.
Right now it's all about the ladies them. Ladies, let's go. Let's play some tune for ladies right now. Party style. House of ladies style. Let's go.
I know ladies. Ain't nobody crying.
Ladies, happy Mother's Day.
Ain't nobody worried. Ain't no smiling faces.
Ready?
Lying to the races. Help me. Come on. Somebody help me now. I'll take you back. Help me on. I'll take you back. I'll take you back. I'll take you back. Oh, what a night.
Listen, I'll drop some sound for the ladies right now. What them feel is a rubber dub thing. Eh?
What a very special time for me, as I remember what a night,
Acid large up you.
what a night. You know I didn't even hurt me, but I was never gonna be the same. Well, you can't tell
go. All the brothers, let's go. One time.
Come to me, wild and wild. You come to me, give me everything I need.
Ready, ready.
Give me a lifetime promises and a world of dreams. Speak the language of love like you know what it means. And it can't be wrong.
Ladies,
Take my heart and make it strong.
ready.
You're simply the best. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone. Anyone ever met. I stuck out your heart. I hang on every word you say. Tears fall. Baby, I would rather be dead. Your arms of the stars.
Let's go. Ladies.
My life was just a lonely
All the ladies right now, let's go. Slow down, large up. One time, let's go. Hey, hey. Let's say we'll play some song for the ladies there right now. Let's go. Pick up all ladies when they're Belgian right now. I couldn't try themselves. Tracy, bright on the microphone right now. Bright on the microphone. Bright it up. Hey. One time, let's go. Everybody, everybody.
I want the world to know, got to let it show.
treat a few ladies right now, all the mothers right now. See what I say? So the ladies them, I want someone around me, but okay, I see one here, so I want some ladies right now. This song is for the ladies. The stage. Alright, start it, that's it. For the ladies. Just one thing, to you my love, and that might be the way it seems. But I love Wait, hold on, pull up. Listen, the tune here for all the mothers them. A special tribute. Once again, all the mothers. Tracy, take off it and illuminate it for the mic. Look at it. Give thanks. One more time. Hello, it little. We're going to go song. Check it. So you think I love you for just one thing? To you, my love, that might be the way it seems. But I love the way that you carry yourself. I even love the way you wear your hair. Ain't that love in you, my baby? Ain't that love in you for more reason than one? Well, somehow, my love, you've been misled by a lot of things that some other men said. Check this. But I love you for what you are. I even love the way you raise your hair. Baby, that's love in you, my baby. Ain't that love in you for more reasons than one? Well, take it low. Did it ever occur to you why I do all the things that I do just to keep that little smile upon your face? Because I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you in so many ways. But somehow my love, pull up. I'm going to drop one more for the ladies then.
Hold on there. I got to win this. How much you charge for a dub plate, my youth? How much you charge for a dub plate? We're there, you know. Who wants some dub plate?
Alright, I'm going to sing one more song for the ladies then. One more song. And I'm out of here, okay? One more tune for the ladies then. I'm going to take myself. So this one is for all the mothers. Alright? This one for all the mothers in once again. Drop your song from the top. Alright? Drop it like this. Mothers. All the mothers, they are 1 in a million. No. I catch it live, go. Ladies. Love has played this game on me so long. Started to believe I'll never find anyone. Now it's trying to convince me to give in, saying you can't win. But the one day the sun came shining through. The rain is still and the skies were blue. And oh, what a revelation to see someone who was saying I love you to me. Oh, in a million. pull up. We're done, go right, you know. Tracy. We talk about now doing justice still, but so anyway, we got a few more to go, so we're gonna bring it in sequence right now. So Lexus, the host for the most, take it away.
Watch yourself for Mark Dragon. Come on, man. A lot of people asking for inner city dub, but you could go on all the social media platform, support the artist by downloading his tune, buying his songs. You know what I'm saying? Okay, one more tune to go before bringing the sequence sound. I'll take time out to pick up all the sound system man them in other place. Listen to one. Mark Dragon again.
Trash men didn't get the chance today. Oh, why because they want to play. Buses on strike, going on crazy fair. So they can help one
People, I'm a final song this. I'm a voice a singer, I'm a 10-year-old. When I'm 10-year-old, I'm a voice a singer. Alright, pull up. After the young Mark Dragon, Lexus.
There's another side of Mark Dragon that most people don't know. The engineer, the DJ, the producer, the artist, and the race car driver. See him heading back up to Atlanta on the speedway. Dance sequence! Dance sequence!
Yeah. Mark Dragon, big up the yourself. Cause you know so when Inner City left Jamaica, the first sound in a foreign Inner City sequence. Respect to you. You're up there. Yes, sir, right now. Me just adjust. Sure. Yes, sir, right now, Jimmy. I want turntable. You're not going to use two. I use one. I buy lifetime people. And then the old veterans. Big up all of the pregnant. I can't call them a name good enough. Big up all the ladies. You are my babies. No matter what the man them say. You are my babies. Let's kick it like this.
Just a come, long time we get ya and a jaja song. Wax and relax and a sit down. Put and relax and a create a sound. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Many times we flex past the bad boys done. Bag up power up that they never shoot I down. See the bad boys putting down their guns. Then see the article ever can blend the happy. Not just a come. Long time we get ya and a jaja song. Wax and relax and a sit down. Put and relax and a create a sound. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Learn, the harder you work, I know you will learn.
Listen me, right now I them thing I'm in love. I them something I'm in love. Follow ranking, I them thing. I them thing I will go upon. One turntable me I deal with it. Right now.
Love and hate can never be friends. Oh no.
Yeah, my people.
With love, with not hatred.
soul. My mother give me my first song, I'm in a stop, the boy can't talk. Musically, the boy can't talk to me, me not this the man. But the boy can't talk to me, I'm the boss. Reggae boss round here. Original sequence for a long time. I want to take some people.
Love and hate can never be friends. Oh no, oh no. Come with love and not with dream. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow all the days of my life. Envy no one, no wish to be with no evil man. For then come the day when you'll be with, like the Father said, never preach evil.
Yeah. Bad sound, a bad sound. Sound from a long time, the past, the present, and the future. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. A sequence of me and the boss. Who don't like it, go chuck off. Who don't like it, go run up in a truck. Go run up in a truck when you not good up. When you not good up, go run up in a truck.
Never did my soul. Too much emotion, leopards are trying to kill the sheep.
Yo, don't shake it too much. Don't shake the table. Hey, I never hit a blow. Echo tone. Big up yourself. Curtis, man, I rode it for a long time. Yo, Bobby. Yo, New Wave. Don't train it.
My soul.
You're one of us. You're right.
Too much wagonist,
Tell them to go away.
too much antagonist. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep and the shepherd.
One more time. We go through the bodies for the body. We're there from 1978. Spranglers, junglers, touching. Doing that. So we not talk the business. We not talk the business. We don't have enough on this now. We just have go through. We do young. We just have go through. And the man down.
Yeah, and
Touchdown.
it's my soul. Too much wagonist, too much antagonist. Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep.
Yo, look at paparazzi.
Wolves and leopards are trying to kill the sheep.
And the man.
Too much informers.
Paparazzi. Paparazzi to the man. Yeah, right now, may I play some songs to the ladies. Yeah, well, listen to the 13th of September in a Tutters. One song named Black Scorpio. We have to play that song before we done. And the producer, them man have enough bad song. Sequence of Black Scorpio. Tutters. Right now, my ladies, you're my babies. I don't give up what they want to say. Ladies! 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 All the road to give me some sense, little brother.
Love is like wildfire, spreading all over the world.
Yeah, breathe up, blow, we don't watch nothing. We don't watch a thing. Yeah, right, man. Original Majesty. Big boss. Your mother put on enough dance with sequence with Gemini. Them go outside. Them go outside.
Love is like wildfire, spreading all over the world.
Saki, go on, my brother.
Love is like wildfire, spreading all over the world.
that? You think of that? You don't really think of that? I'm here, ladies, you know. I'm here, ladies, right now, okay? Them say what goes around must come back around. And I'm from 1980, and we still a lucky town. Ladies, some boy don't like hear them thing when we play all them songs, you know. Some boy don't like when we play all them songs, you know, echo.
To go until 7:30. So guess what? They push it to 8 o'clock. You know.
Say what you say, do what you do, 'cause I'm down for something, baby. Money gets
me's a girl is from birth. The married man them wanna grab on the wife them tight car. Me no want them feel like you know it's like me. Me a girl is. And one thing me love more than a woman, I'm more woman. I'm more woman. See? What's about the woman them now? Think the man them up, they love them thing. Just one thing. Go hear that statement. Adibro, no Carlton, original from New York City. Give up the yourself. Mark John, and you just sing them. You just sing them like never had done. Yo, ladies! You're the one that's coming out of the world! Give me a real start. I want to go around. For the ladies, them on the road boy, them and me I go play it again. And the breeze people, and I don't call them stretch me, I tell you, them short. Mark Dragon, you go see yourself. Yeah, when me I play them here, we play them here without no apology.
You think I love you for just one thing? You might love it, baby.
I am going like your mother than nobody else. Eh? I'm sure you're there a long time we do it. You see right now still. And the ladies that we are dealing with, you know. I see the independent one, you know, one look real good. The woman, they want to know, so when they're looking at the mirror, they say, yes, they are hot, they are hot woman. I feel good. That's that, yeah. When the man is feeling, they ask a question like this. Never, yo, Janice, when they feel them breath. thing is, we take it down on Friday night. Yeah, man, I better. One thing is another. But me I tell them, you see the guy they want married. All of them pay attention to the woman. All of them know when something is wrong. All of us know when something not right with the woman them. Some of the time all of you ask the woman them some question like this. All of you ask them whether they are a rude boy or not. All of you ask the woman them.
Seems you're not interested, baby, because you're never home. Tell me what's up, pretty baby. Hey, baby. Tell me what's up, pretty darling. Tell me what's up, pretty baby. Tell me what's up, pretty darling. What's going on in your life? Oh, I'm so lonely with no one to call my own.
Yo, man, a girl is. A man pay attention to the woman. And when me look for the woman and me say something wrong, and me ask her the question, you know what she tell me? Yo, me name Mr. Perspective. Me put the record them in the right perspective. The man them write them, the man them produce them, and them say Byron sequence play them, and make the people understand them. Hear what? Hear what? Me ask her what wrong. Me ask her what wrong. This is what the woman said. This is what she tells me.
I tried to be kind, still I'm not content in my mind, 'cause I'm lonely, lonely. My heart's made of stone. Why am I so alone, so empty? Yeah. I want me somebody. This feeling that I'm feeling is not for me. I'm down and I'm lonely, hurting and I know this wasn't meant to be. No, 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 no.
Yeah, man, so the lady says she wants somebody. The woman says she wants somebody. You see that song, you know? I'm a friend. I'm a friend, and we artists, and we one artists. The one we artists, I'm Michael Russell. I'm Michael Russell. Michael, after the woman says she wants somebody, we just look on her and tell her this. We tell her this. With your woman.
I put so many things on the line for you. Still you turn around and hurt me.
Oh, she be doing that.
I don't know what else am I supposed to do.
Oh, she be doing that.
When you're cheating on this brother, why won't you throw your love at me, baby? No more of your hurting, darling. Oh no, just throw your love at me, baby. No more of your hurting, darling. Oh no, oh God, I try to call you on the telephone and hoping to God that you'd be.
The real, my brother. I only 2 songs left. People, me love the them. Me love you like our God love little children. The real. Right now, I'm going to play 2 more songs. That's what them say. Echo, that song here. You see that song here? That song here, that song here, that song here. That song here, that song here, that song here. That song your name. That song your name. That song your name. Then if we never bless, we wouldn't be. So God wake we up this morning, we more than blessed. We more than blessed, the people. One more song. Life is what you make it, and some people just wake up and then all live their life. Some people never live their life. Now one more to go. A million violent people. Officer, can I get one more? Just one for the people. One. Please, pretty, please. One.
All right, everybody, we're shutting all the music down. Thank you.
I'll tell them that. Thank you. No problem. 6 o'clock.
I thought Alexis, he got it.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the dance hall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.